Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something super exciting in store for y'all. So we're gonna do another unboxing. And today it's a Charizard Ultra Premium box. So I've been debating getting this for a while. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be worth it. I know there's been a lot of back and forth about it. Overall, I kind of decided just to Also, everybody please stick around till the end of the video because there's our section of What's That Pokefact. Can you guess who we're talking about today? And I'm not going to draw out this introduction any further. Let's dig in. So this is the front of the box. So it's going to be really awesome. Okay, so right here is everything that was inside of it. We have the little booklet that comes with it, and that just gives you all of the Sword and Shield sets and different things about them. So right here we have the playing mat, and I'm going to go ahead and roll that out and cover up the Eevee. There we have the Charizard playmat. It's a hair smaller than my Eevee playmat, but still, like, look at that artwork. That is gorgeous. In box number 1, we have the sleeves, we have our metal dice, the damage counters, and we have our metal poison counter and burn counter, or burn marker and poison marker. Those are both, like, I just like the metal, I like the heft to it. I think it's a really nice touch. So in box number 2, we have some packs. We have Fusion Strike. Here's our little metal Charizard coin. Interesting that it was in that one. You would think it would have been with all the other stuff. So we have Fusion Strike. We have Evolving Skies. Ooh, Vivid Voltage. And our V-Star marker. Who doesn't have 1,005 of these? And box number 3, we have our promo cards. And then we have Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, and Brilliant Stars. Interesting. So we have all these packs to open. Hopefully we actually get to pull something. I'll be really sad if we don't. Alright, so this is everything all laid out nicey nice. So these are our promo cards. We have the pretty Charizard right here, the Charizard V. We have the Breathing Fire Charizard V Max that matches the art of the playmat. And we also have the Charizard V-Star fighting with Mewtwo. So we're going to start off with the Fusion Strikes, and I'm just going to go ahead and start tearing into them. Oh, this one opens so easily. That's so not fair. We got an Inteleon V. I know how sleeves work, I swear. Let's see what's in the next one. Here's to hoping it's something good. Oh, I already see a V back there. And, ooh, I love this one. Look at that. She's a beauty. Actually, I've been seeing this art before. I really like it. On to the next. On and on we go. So that was all we got from the Fusion Strike. So up next we have Brilliant Stars, and we have 3 of those. So we're going to hop right on in. And, ooh, a full art Cynthia's Ambition. Look at that. I've heard of these having horrible pull rates, but so far we're doing pretty good. We have a Clefable and a Manaphy. Very nice. Ooh, Monferno and a Garchomp. Pretty sure I pulled one of those in the last pull I did. Up next, we're going to do Astral Radiance. We have 3 of those. We're gonna power our way through these. Ow. I really like this Eevee art. Our Cumby is our reverse holo and a Ursula. Alright. Next pack. See, are we getting any? We got 2 Hoots. 2 of the same exact card in one pack. Interesting. And a Keldo. I think it's kind of funny we got 2 Hoots. Oh my gosh. Alright, so what is your guys' favorite pull from a pack you've gotten? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Come on. Something good. Something that makes me happy. We have the Poochyena and Weevil. Alright, so we didn't get any super good pulls from Astral Radiance, but now we're on to Evolving Skies. Let's see what we get. Oh! We got a Boldore and a Gorgeous. Next. Let's see what it is. Dark Energy. Should I start making a game as to guess what energy I get? We got a Zortu and a Milotic. That's a pretty card though. Alright. Let's see if this one's a banger. What energy did we get? We got a Grass Energy. Ooh, Reverse Holo, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, and can't say that one. It's pretty though. So those were our Evolving Skies packs. On to Lost Origins. We got 2 of those. Ah, it's a Sigoo. Abomasnow and a Parasect. Alright, last Lost Origins. Cool. And ooh, I love that art on that one though. Look at that art. She's pretty. Alright, and so those were our 2 Lost Origins. Last but not least is Vivid Voltage. We got one of these bad boys. Let's hope it's something good. Last pack magic, right? We got a Trumbeak. And last, we got a Steelix V. Alright. Not something super cool, but thank you guys so much if you've watched this far. We have today's section of What's That Pokepack? So, today obviously we're talking about Charizard. So the facts about Charizard that not everyone might know is that Charizard has 2 different kinds of Mega Evolution, and he is one of only 2 Pokemon that has this, which I think is pretty cool. There was a scientist inspired by Charizard, and so he has a bee species named after him. It's called Chicola Charizard. Really freaking cool. Also, Typhlosion and Charizard have the same stats, and that's all the way through their evolution. That's not just at their final evolution form. And then last but not least, he has broken the most record for moves used in the animated series. So he's the Pokemon with the highest record. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a like for my mildly pathetic pull, and please subscribe for more content.